Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about QuickBooks Premier Edition and how to change the industry in it. So I just installed a new QuickBooks in my computer. It's a QuickBooks Premier Edition 2018. In this QuickBooks, once you open it or once you install it, it always asks you which industry you're in. But some of the users, they skip that particular option and they choose a different industry and they don't know how to change the industry type in QuickBooks. So if you look on my screen here, so in this screen you can see it says QuickBooks Premier Edition 2018 and it says no company open. So suppose that if I'm a contractor and if I want to switch the industry, so that is really easy. So if you look over here in the QuickBooks screen, I have highlighted help. So under help you will find this option manage my license, and under that you have the option change to a different edition. In this window you have the available industry editions or specific editions. You can choose accordingly, and some of the users I have seen that they have a different industry and they are not mentioned here. So in order to choose it, you can click on more about the industries. You can read this particular description which is for those available industries, and after that you can select the industries according to your business. And after that, let me show you how you can change it. Suppose that, as I told you, if I'm a contractor, so I go here and click on Premier Contractor Edition. I click on next and then I click on finish. It is changing it now. Alright, it's changed now. So after that we click on yes. Alright, now if you look at the top, it says QuickBooks Premier Contractor Edition 2018. So it is changed as per my choice, what I needed. So after that, if you want to create a company file, you go here and create a company file. So I will be uploading my new video regarding this, so how you can set up your company file according to a business. I hope this video helped you to choose your industry or how you can change the industry if you already installed the QuickBooks in the computer. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my new videos, because when I upload it, you will get the automatic notifications in your account. So I have uploaded the video. So thank you for watching. Thank you.